You asked, how to divide 47,702 by 12 using the long division method. 4 is too small. Use 47. 47 divided by 12 equals 3. 3 times 12 equals 36. 47 minus 36 equals 11. Bring down 7, making 117. 117 divided by 12 equals 9. 9 times 12 equals 108. 117 minus 108 equals 9. Bring down 0, making 90. 90 divided by 12 equals 7. 7 times 12 equals 84. 90 minus 84 equals 6. Bring down 2, making 62. 62 divided by 12 equals 5. 5 times 12 equals 60. 62 minus 60 equals 2. The remainder is 2. The final result is 3,975 remainder 2.